it is time for another trip of traveling without luggage. Now, you might know I've done that before 1.5 years ago, and there I explained that no luggage can mean anything between you literally can just use the pockets of your pants, and I'm not checking the bag, so this is technically not luggage. Last time I had no bag whatsoever, just the pockets of my pants and the pockets of my jacket. But last time I just went to Switzerland, which is not that far away and has roughly the same climate. Well, this time I'm traveling from Germany by train and by ferry to Morocco, which has a very distinctly different climate than here. It's the middle of winter here, and I kind of need a bunch of stuff. And in Morocco, depending on where you are and where I'm going to be, it's going to be really warm. So this is a challenge, and I'm going to show you what I've planned and how I hope this will be a success. So without further ado, let me show you the luggage I'm going to bring. This is a new bag, and it's made by Wakes. It's the brand that already own a backpack. And I'm just going to show you how I packed it, but let me tell you now already. They are a sustainable brand from Berlin, and they usually try to not have discount codes because it's just not a very sustainable practice. But they have a lot of stock right now, and they have to make some space. So for the first time ever, and maybe the last time, I don't know, they are offering discount codes. And I, as an affiliate partner of Wakes, have gotten a discount code for my audience. This is going to be down below, so if you are interested in any of their bags, check that out. But let me show you. So this is already packed. Honestly, just because if I am traveling with such a small amount of things, I had to try it out. I cannot just pack the day before I go and see if it fits or not. I have to know. So already packed it, but we're gonna unpack or repack it together, and I'm gonna show you what I'm bringing. So the special but amazing thing about this bag is that it can be both a hip bag or an around the body bag, but it can also turn into a backpack by just opening this up, extending the roll top, and using the backpack straps to connect to these two loops. And then I have a backpack, and then I have a lot more space, which I honestly need because maybe in Morocco or on my journey somewhere, I want to buy some food and take with me. I want to stop wearing my rain jacket that I'm gonna wear here because it's winter and put it in here. I might even want to take off my sweater. I don't know, things like that need space, and therefore this is the perfect bag. But let's get started. I'm bringing my wallet, obviously, because I just need it. And when we're already talking about that, I'm going to open the back. From the back here, it opens into the same compartment, roughly. But here in the back, I also have a zipper compartment that I'm going to open now. I'm not sure if you can see it, but in here, I have my passport. I had this passport for years, but I've never actually used it. There's also two visas in here that I've never used. But now I'm gonna use it. But then, what else do we have? We have my camera. Also, I have my phone here, but I'm most likely not gonna have that in my bag anyways, but in a pocket. I also have the charger that works for my phone and for my camera. Then, I have a little bit of toilet paper, just in case. Train toilets don't always have toilet paper. Toilets in general don't always have toilet paper. So I thought it might be a good idea. In here, I have a few small toiletries. I have a toothbrush, sunscreen, because, it's the middle of winter here, but in Morocco, there's going to be a lot of sun and desert, and I'm going to get sunburned if I don't use sunscreen. Deodorant filled in this small little tub. Same goes for toothpaste tablets, also in the same small little tub, one of the same. And some shampoo. And I'm planning on using this for my hair, for my body, and if necessary, for my clothes. Because mostly there's hand soap, and I can wash my underwear with hand soap. But if there's no soap whatsoever, I'm going to use this shampoo for that too. Also, I'm bringing some disinfectant, sanitizing liquid thing that I can spray on my hands or whatever. And then I have in here my headphones. I have 2 masks, just in case I'm like sitting in the train and there's a person next to me coughing and I'm sitting there for like 10 hours. I want to be able to protect myself and not get sick. Or the same, of course, goes the other way around. If I get really sick, I can protect all the other passengers in buses and trains with me, therefore masks. Then I'm also bringing this spork thing just for sustainability reasons. So I don't have to use like throwaway cutlery if I get like street food or anything that needs cutlery. And then let's talk about the clothes I'm bringing. So I'm bringing an extra pair of underwear. And I'm bringing a t-shirt that I can sleep in or that works as an extra t-shirt if the one I'm wearing is really just dirty and I, can't wash it or something. In here in the front, this is made, I think, for sunglasses or something, but I'm using it for other stuff. I have a mini tripod for my camera. I have a pen, a hair tie, and I'm not sure what I'm going to use this for, but I thought of some ways to like put cash close to my body and not just in regular pockets, or my passport too, and I can use it for that. Some, what is it? It's like coal tablets. It's for when you're sick, And then I have an extra battery for my camera. And where is it? This is like an SD phone case. And in there, I have this small thing you need to remove a SIM card from your phone, because I'm going to get like a Moroccan SIM card to use data there. That's why I'm bringing this. And that's it. There's one more thing, actually, I'm bringing. For sustainability reasons, I do not want to buy bottled water. And so I went and bought a water filter / water bottle. I can fit this in here and still not extend it as a backpack. But I can also put it on the strap. I'm going to show you when I repacked and, let it dangle there. This is everything I'm bringing, and I'm pretty sure this is everything I need. Now let me show you what I'm gonna wear. A pair of underwear, a bra, a long sleeve shirt, because I've heard that in Morocco it's just better to like kind of cover up. A wool sweater, because it just doesn't get stinky and it's still pretty warm. And as I said, it's winter here, and in the desert it can also be really, really cold at night, so a wool sweater. My travel pants that are like quick drying, and they have pretty big pockets. And they also have this zipper pocket back here that's almost like hidden. And I think this is going to be a good idea to keep something in there and maybe not, get pickpockets or someone taking it out of it real quick. Then I'm going to wear socks, and I'm going to wear another pair of socks that I most likely will not wear all the time in Morocco, both pairs of socks, obviously. But for now, when it's winter and it's cold, I'm gonna wear both. Then I'm bringing this hat just because it's gonna be sunny and I'm gonna get sunburned if I don't wear a hat. I'm gonna wear my boots because I thought both for like winter as for like sand desert, this is the most appropriate pair of shoes I own. And I'm gonna wear my rain jacket. Now this is not super warm. I'm not bringing a hat, I'm not bringing gloves. I just hope I'm not gonna freeze too much while still in Europe and when coming back to Europe. But that's the solution I have. And so just in case you were wondering how the whole clothes situation should work out, well, I'm just gonna wear the same stuff every single day. And every single evening, I'm gonna wash a pair of underwear, and every second evening, I'm gonna wash a pair of socks. And whenever necessary, I'm gonna wash my shirt. And I don't think I'm gonna need to wash my pants, maybe just spot clean something. And that is how I hope to manage to travel with such a small amount of luggage. One more thing, why am I even doing this? Well, I am interested in minimalism, as you might know, and also I've tried it and I loved it. And I just think whenever traveling, I love to have the smallest amount of luggage possible because I feel freer. I can walk for longer. I don't have to sweat and worry and carry heavy stuff around. It's easier because I don't have to find space on trains and buses for my luggage. I have a very easy overview because it's just not that much. And if these are not enough reasons, it's also just a very interesting challenge. So let's pack everything back up. By the way, these are usually just the backpack straps. This bag gets delivered with like a strap that you use whenever you use it crossbody or as a hip bag. But I took those backpack straps and just used this little metal thing that I found in my apartment to connect the backpack straps. So that's just one less thing I have to carry around. And this is my luggage for my 2-week solo trip from Germany to Morocco by train. And then I'm gonna travel the country, and I am gonna make at least one travel vlog, so you will see how I'm doing and if everything works out. Now, you've seen what an amazing bag this is, so I highly recommend you check out Wakes and their backpacks and bags. And if that is something you want, then you can support me and you can use the discount code and you support a small sustainable brand. And now I highly recommend you check out this video right here, where I go no bag traveling with literally no bag whatsoever. I hope to see you there, or otherwise there's also Patreon, where you can listen to an extra podcast episode every single week. So thank you to all of you who are already on Patreon. Everyone else, you could maybe check it out if you want. And other than that, I hope to see you here or in my next video. Goodbye.